First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually volunteer.
Hello again, and welcome back to Taste Cabinet. Today let's talk about creating meals using only hidden ingredients that most people would never think to use. Let's talk about hidden treasures in cooking. You know, those lesser-known spices and ingredients that can elevate your dishes to a whole new level. Today, we're going to explore how incorporating these secret ingredients can spice up your cooking and take your meals from bland to grand. We've all been there, stuck in a culinary rut, churning out the same old dishes day in and day out. You know, the ones that are just, well, okay. They're not bad, but they're not exactly wowing anyone either. The truth is, most of us rely on the same old spices and seasonings, and it's easy to get bored with the same flavours. But what if I told you there's a way to shake things up and add some excitement to your cooking? It all starts with creativity in the kitchen. When you're cooking, it's easy to fall back on what you know and love. But that's exactly what leads to boring, bland dishes. To take your cooking to the next level, you need to be willing to experiment and try new things. And that's where hidden ingredients come in. These are the spices and seasonings that you might not have ever heard of, but that can add a whole new level of depth and flavour to your dishes. Think about it. When was the last time you tried something new in the kitchen? When did you last experiment with a new spice or seasoning? If you're like most people, it's probably been a while. But trust me, it's worth it. The excitement of discovery, the thrill of trying something new, is what cooking is all about. Today we're going to explore some of my favourite hidden ingredients. We're going to talk about where they come from, what they taste like, and how you can use them in your cooking. From smoky chipotle peppers to fragrant ras el hanout, we're going to dive into the world of hidden spices and seasonings that will take your cooking to the next level. First up, let's talk about berbere. This Ethiopian spice blend is a staple in many African cuisines, and for good reason. It's got a warm, slightly sweet flavour that's perfect for adding depth to stews and braises. And the best part, it's incredibly versatile. You can use it on everything from meats to veggies to grains. Next up, we have sumac. This Middle Eastern staple is a game changer for anyone who loves citrus flavours. With its bright, tangy taste, it's perfect for adding a burst of flavour to everything from salads to meats. And did you know that it's also packed with antioxidants? It's a win-win. Now let's talk about ají amarillo peppers. These Peruvian peppers are known for their bright yellow colour and their intense, fruity flavour. They're perfect for adding a kick to sauces and marinades, and they pair beautifully with everything from grilled meats to roasted veggies. Finally, let's talk about ras el hanout. This Moroccan spice blend is a staple in many North African cuisines, and for good reason. With its unique blend of spices, it adds a warm, aromatic flavour to everything from meats to grains. And the best part, it's incredibly easy to use. Just sprinkle it on and go. Now it's time to put these hidden ingredients to the test. Let's make a simple recipe that showcases one of these hidden treasures. Today, we're going to make a delicious berbere-spiced chicken dish that's perfect for a quick weeknight dinner. And the best part, it's incredibly easy to make. Just marinate the chicken in a mixture of olive oil, berbere, and lemon juice. Then grill it to perfection. As we cook, you'll notice how the berbere adds a warm, slightly sweet flavour to the chicken. It's the perfect combination of spices, and it's sure to become a staple in your kitchen. And the best part, it's incredibly versatile. You can use it on everything from chicken to beef to veggies. Once our chicken is cooked, let's plate it up and take a bite. Can you taste the difference that the berbere makes? It's like a whole new flavour dimension. So there you have it, a simple recipe that showcases the power of hidden ingredients. By incorporating these secret spices and seasonings into your cooking, you can take your meals from bland to grand in no time. Thanks for joining me on this culinary adventure. Remember, the key to taking your cooking to the next level is to be willing to experiment and try new things. So don't be afraid to get out there and start cooking. And don't forget to comment below with your favourite hidden ingredients. And if you want more cooking tips and culinary adventures, be sure to check out my other videos and subscribe for more. Happy cooking, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.